HHHunt Apartment Living welcomes you to the beautiful Abberly Woods community in Charlotte, North Carolina. Located near Uptown Charlotte and University Research Park, this community is ready to elevate your lifestyle to new heights of comfort and satisfaction. Abberly Woods combines a beautiful natural setting in the North Lake area with convenient access to top employers, excellent schools, and premier shopping venues. Are you looking for a community with a lot of amenities? Well, we've got you covered. Here is a list of everything you will enjoy at Abberly Woods. 2 relaxing pools with wireless internet access, interactive club room with billiard table and lounging areas, internet cafe with wireless internet, business center and private conference center, outdoor grilling and picnic areas, 2 state-of-the-art fitness centers with Pilates and stretching room, resident activity center, bark park for your 4-legged friend. All of this and so much more. With a proximity to major thoroughfares such as I-77, I-85, and I-485 close by, Abberly Woods by HHHunt Apartment Living will make your commute a breeze. Whether you're searching for 1, 2, or 3 bedrooms, Abberly Woods has a host of floor plans to fit your needs. Our apartment homes offer large living rooms, expansive walk-in closets, and separate dining areas. You will be happy to know our apartments feature a private deck area or sunroom, generous living spaces, 9-foot ceilings, and expansive walk-in closets. The chef-inspired, fully equipped kitchens are available in 2 finishes. And oh, did we mention all the apartments are pet-friendly? So feel free to move in with your furry companion. With multiple floor plans to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect apartment home. Are you ready to explore the comfort and style waiting for you? Visit AbberlyWoods.com. Abberly Woods by HHHunt Apartment Homes is part of HHHunt. Visit all of our communities and learn more at HHHunt.com.